Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Windows 11 is up to date so the emoji panel works correctly. Once done, place the cursor where you want to type and press Win Plus, or Win Plus. That opens the emoji picker instantly. If you prefer tapping, right-click the taskbar, enable Touch Keyboard, and tap its icon. Make sure to sign into your account if emoji or GIF require cloud features. This avoids missing categories and keeps the panel responsive. Now explore the panel. Categories at the top let you switch between emoji, K-emoji, GIF, and symbols quickly. You can type a keyword in the search box to narrow results, which is faster than scrolling. For example, type thumb to find thumbs up. Click the person emoji to choose skin tones or press and hold for alternatives. Once you start inserting, the recents row updates automatically. Use it to repeat frequent emoji. If you want GIF, make sure the app accepts rich content before inserting. To finish, insert emoji by clicking or tapping them. Different apps render emoji differently, so test first. If you need multiple emoji, copy them into the clipboard and use Win plus V to paste from clipboard history. Enable that in settings if it's off. For touch typing, resize the touch keyboard and use its emoji button. If the panel doesn't open, restart Explorer. EXE or check for keyboard shortcut conflicts. Make sure no third-party app is intercepting Win plus, and that your language keyboard layout is supported.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.